Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard Free Trial. Advertising needs to change as businesses grow. We'll help you protect your ad spend throughout your journey with price plans for any ad budget. TrafficGuard offers a free plan for PPC Protect. Grow your digital advertising with confidence. TrafficGuard detects, mitigates, and reports on digital ad fraud before it hits your advertising budget. 3 formidable layers of protection block both general invalid traffic, GIVT, and sophisticated invalid traffic, SIVT, to ensure that digital advertising results in real engagements. With visibility of traffic across thousands of campaigns, TrafficGuard's machine learning can identify emerging patterns, trends, and indicators of fraud quickly and reliably. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.